Good morning students. Students, today we shall discuss about plant adaptations and this is your 14th chapter. In this chapter you will know about various adaptations that plants have to survive in a particular environment. So first of all, let's know what is adaptation. Adaptation क्या है? Adaptation is the biological mechanism by which plants and animals adjust themselves to a particular environment or to changes in their current environment. Actually, plants and organisms develop certain features, some special characteristics which enable them to survive in a particular environment. So children, here is the exercise given in the chapter 14 and in this exercise there are some statements based on plant adaptations. So what you have to do children? You have to read these statements and find whether these statements are true or false. So let's begin with the first statement, that is soil and spongy petioles or leaf stalks keep the water hyacinth afloat. Children, water hyacinth is a plant जिसे आप लोग जलकुंभी के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Actually, this plant floats on the surface of water. And what makes it float on the surface of water? Actually, the petioles or leaf stalks. Do you understand petioles? Actually, the stalk of leaf, that is, this is a stalk by which it is connected to a stem. So this is called petioles or leaf stalk. And leaf stalks of water hyacinth are swollen and spongy. They are bulbous, which enables this plant to afloat on the surface of water. So this statement is true. This is true statement. Okay. Next question. Onion and garlic bulbs have modified leaves for storing food. Children, you all know plants make some extra food and that extra food is stored in some part of the plants. In the plants of onion and garlics, extra food is stored in their leaves to form bulb. So this statement is true. A true statement. Next question. Plants like sugarcane have prop roots that grow from the lower nodes of the plant. Children, have you seen the plant of sugarcane? If you have seen, you must have seen some roots arising from the nodes of the plant. Like this is plants of sugarcane and you will see some nodes. These nodes means गांठ. इस गांठ से आप सब कुछ roots निकले हुए देखे होंगे and these are called prop roots. So plants like sugarcane have prop roots that grow from the lower nodes of the plant. This is true statement. Okay. Fourth question. Found in the Sundarbans, the Sundari tree has pneumatophores that grow upwards from its root system to take in oxygen from the air. This is true statement. Children, do you understand what are pneumatophores? ये pneumatophores क्या होता है? Pneumatophores are aerial roots specialized for gaseous exchange, and in the tree Sundari, which is found in Sundarbans, have many pneumatophores that grow from the root system upward. From root system, and these pneumatophores are specialized for taking in oxygen. So this is correct statement. Now the next question is, weak stemmed plants like money plants develop roots from nodes that help them climb. Actually children, plants having weak stem are not able to climb up without any support. So in such plants like money plant, some roots grow at the nodes and these roots help them to climb up. So this is correct statement. True. Now, sixth question. A potato is a rhizome, a swollen underground stem characterized by eyes. This is false statement. False. A potato is a tuber, stem tuber, not rhizome. Potato क्या है? A stem tuber है. Swollen underground stem and characterized by eyes. Some eyes you can see eyes on potato. Potato पे आप eyes को देख सकते हो children. And so a potato is a stem tuber, that is a swollen underground stem characterized by eyes. This statement is false. Our next question is, epiphytes are plants that have aerial roots to absorb moisture from the host plant. This is wrong statement. This is wrong statement. False. Actually, what are epiphytes? Do you understand what are epiphytes? Epiphytes are plants which grow on another plant. Okay children? So epiphytes are plants that have aerial roots. बिल्कुल उसके पास उसके एरियल रूट्स होते हैं, बट दोज एरियल रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम एयर, नॉट फ्रॉम host plant. So this is wrong statement. Next question is, the leaves of the cactus plant are capable of photosynthesis. So this is also wrong statement. ये भी गलत है. Actually cactus plants grow in deserts. And in deserts there is very little amount of water, less water. And to reduce loss of water through the leaves by the process of transpiration, the leaves of cactus plants are modified into spines. वो spine में convert हो जाता है. So a question arises, where does photosynthesis take place in such plants? So photosynthesis takes place in green fleshy stem of cactus plant. So this is wrong statement. Ninth question. Intensive roots of the grasses in the prairies absorb more moisture from the ground and prevent the grazing animals from pulling them out. So children, prairies are temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands experience low rainfall. वहाँ पे बारिश बहुत कम होती है. So roots of the grasses grow deep inside the soil. वो soil में नीचे तक जाता है ताकि so that they can absorb moisture from the soil. Intensive roots of these grasses also prevent the grazing animals from pulling them out. So ये जो बहुत नीचे तक जो रूट्स रहते हैं वो ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स को उसे उखाड़ने से भी रोकता है. This statement is true. Now our last question. Trees with needle-like leaves retain less water than broad leaves. This is false statement. Yeah, false statement है. कैसे? Children, needle-shaped leaves have less surface area. उसके जो surface area होते हैं वो काफी कम होते हैं. Spines कैसे होते हैं? Needle-shaped leaves कैसे होते हैं? इस तरीके से. So they have less surface area, and because of this, rate of transpiration is very low. So there is less loss of water from the leaves by the process of transpiration. But in broad leaves like this leaves, in such leaves the surface area is very large. So rate of transpiration is very young and the rate of transpiration in such leaves is very low. So these leaves can retain more water than these leaves. So this statement is false. That is all about chapter number 14. That's all. Thank you.